Hello everyone, today I have a review of another German knife, this time from the Friedrich Herder company, from Solingen, model Hippekniep. Total length is 21.5 centimeters, blade length is 9.5 centimeters, blade thickness is 2 millimeters. The steel of the blade is C75. It is a carbon steel, tempered between 59 to 60 HRC, full flat grind, polished blade. On the blade you can see an image of spade, inscription Picasso, Friedrich Herder Hippekniep, high carbon steel, Don Carlos, and number 006209.15. Slip joint, opening with a nail nick. The handle scales are made of sapelli wood, thick handle, but really comfortable. A very good solution, especially during longer work. Brass rivets. In summary, another Immortal classic, I like that. A very nice and simple knife for work, perfect for mushrooms, picking, fishing, gardening or other everyday work. It's a big pocket knife, but it doesn't disturb me. Personally, I prefer bigger knives. Carbon steel and wood require some care. Everyone has their own ways of doing this. Some people oil the blade, others just wipe it regularly and clean if something appears. In some time a patina will appear and the tool will gain a character. Everything works smoothly, no flaws or blade play. I plan to buy a leather sheath, then the knife doesn't have close contact with the body, as in the case of carrying a knife in a pants pocket. That's all in this review, thanks for watching.